I can walk this shit off. Yes. Hey, the Midnight Riders. I used to love that band. Best pyrotechnics in the business.
I'll back you up on that. Hell of a show. I knew this.
You ain't got time for this, Ellis. Reloading.
Heads up. Reloading.
All right now. This is gonna work.
Watch out!
Anyone need some pills? All right. That'll keep me tight.
Reloading.
Weapons here! Cotton Candy, king of food.
I'm a reload.
Watch out, y'all.
We might need these.
Thanks, man.
Take this.
Somebody done. Healing. Cover me, please. Oh, man.
Weapons!
I got pills.
Clown!
Hey, I'm reloading. Reloading.
Charger! Jockey!
Holy shit, man. Healing!
Watch out!
Reloading. Look out. Reloading.
Shoot the clown!
Reloading.
I'm reloading. I'm gonna try this scope out.
Reload.
I'm grabbing pills.
Hey, we might need these.
What you telling me, man?
Come on, we can't.
Need some real first aid.
Thanks. This is some
You gotta
outrageous
quit
shit.
moving so I can heal you.
That's what I'm talking about.
Let's move!
Man, what are y'all in a hurry for? This is awesome.
Get ready. We got a tank. Kill the tank. Keep shooting.
Boys! I'm down! Oh, I need some help!
Reloading.
Reloading! Jockey!
Healing.
Reloading.
That worked.
This is
Reloading.
not going well. I got these
Damn
pills.
right.
Can somebody
Gonna
wait
take
up?
everything
I
I
gotta heal.
can.
Pills. That makes me up real good.
Reloading! You must be this tall to ride. Sorry, Ellis. It's been real, man. Gates open!
They're coming.
Reloading! Ninja sword here.
Get up.
Reloading.
There's the safe room. Oh shit, that bitch getting angry.
Come on, love. Jesus Christ.
Everybody into the tunnel alive.
Come on, people, come on, get in here.
Sorry, I can't go any faster. Reloading.
Reloading.
Get your asses in here. Baby, that is how that's done.